Hi guys, welcome to 2C Training Solutions. Today we'll be starting a video series on how to become CA. This video series will have 5 videos which will explain what are the various levels of CA examination, what are the subjects in each levels of examination, and what is the pass percentage, and all other details that you need to know on how to become a chartered accountant. So friends, be ready to start this new journey on understanding how to become a chartered accountant. But before that, my sincere appeal to all you guys to kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and continue to encourage us the way you have been doing all this while. So, guys, let's get started immediately with this topic on how to become a chartered accountant. In today's video, I am going to explain how to enroll under the CA course from foundation scheme point of view. So basically, to become a chartered accountant, there are two routes. One is the direct entry scheme route and then the foundation scheme route. In today's video, we will discuss in detail on how to enroll under this foundation scheme route. First and foremost, you need to pass your plus 2 examination and then enroll for the CA foundation course. How to enroll for the CA foundation course? It is simple. You can log on to icai.org website. There on the e-resources tab, you can click on and you will get a link on student registration. You can click on the student registration and enroll for the foundation scheme. The description below contains the link for the registration. Once you are registered under the foundation course, you need to appear for the foundation examination. Now, to appear for the foundation examination, there should be 4 months gap between your date of registration and the date of examination. Now, say for example, if you want to write your foundation exam in May 2020 attempt, then you should have registered for your foundation course 4 months before May 2020. Similarly, if you are planning to appear for the November 2020 examination, you should have registered 4 months before November 2020. Now, once you are registered, you will have basically 4 months time to prepare for the examination. Now, let us understand what are the various subjects that you have in CA Foundation. CA Foundation has 4 papers. Paper 1, Principles and Practice of Accounting. Paper 2, Business Law and Business Correspondence and Reporting. Paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. Paper 4, Business Economics and Business Commercial Knowledge. Out of these 4 papers, 2 papers are descriptive answer writing and 2 papers are multiple choice questions. The first 2 papers are descriptive answer writing, where you will have to write for 100 marks and you will be given a time of 3 hours. The next 2 papers, that is paper 3 and paper 4, is a MCQ, where for every question you will be given 4 choices and you will have to select the right choice. Wrong answers will fetch you negative marking. In each paper, you will have to score a minimum of 40 marks to pass this examination, and the overall aggregate percentage should be 50. That means each paper, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, you should score a minimum of 40, and out of 400, overall your score should be 200 or more than that to pass the foundation examination. So friends, this is all you need to know about the foundation examination. Now, what after this foundation exam? What are the next levels of examination? What are the subjects? What is the pass percentage? All this information I will be sharing with you in the upcoming video. Until then, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.